Lower the press head until it's in this sort of position on top of the bale. Stop it. Pull the tape through, bottom of the door. Open the door. And then you can see on top of the press head to see if there's any materials on top of there. If there's a build up on top, it won't come back to the top fully, and then you won't be able to move the press head across from one chamber to the other. Machine, make sure this is in neutral. That's down, that's up, that's neutral. Green button start, up to the top. Make sure it's there. So when you're putting this in, you want to make sure from back to front and from side to side. When it's levelish, right across, then into neutral, start the button. Through like this, push it through. Pull it over the top, bring it to the front. Yeah, so the piece that moves, the one you cut. Then that tape has got to go through the door. Bring the press head back across to the top. Neutral, start, down. You need to wait for the machine to finish. It's got to stop on its own. Just hold and pull that slack out. So I know it's stopped from the road. Pull these, take out the slack at the bottom of the bale. Tight as you can, 2 fingers behind it, round the back, through the loop. And when that's done, back to neutral, start the machine, press it back to the top. You need to move it to the other sub chamber. And you open the bottom drawer. The bottom door needs to be opened past 90 degrees. Okay. Position. Start the machine and lift it. And it lifts there. Pull this up, eject. Because it's not a full bale, you ain't got the way to tip it out. But that will tip out onto this panel. Make a loop, put that loop through itself, okay? This special tool, it's got two ends. It's got a pull me side, and it's got a push me side. So that goes in there, and that goes in the slot. That end of the stick, just put your foot on there, just put your foot on the slot, so don't pull the tape out. Foot on there, push that, push that.